Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. Today is Monday, September 6th, and it's Labor Day. Happy Labor Day. I decided to come on and do a video anyways. I had some exciting things that I've come up with. But just kind of just share with you about the structure of the YouTube channel moving forward. And nothing is going to be changing from a standpoint of putting out videos, but going to try to add a little bit more structure to Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, of course. So Mondays, we're going to kind of switch to voice acting Mondays. So we'll be doing videos on voice acting. Tuesdays are going to be technical Tuesdays or tech Tuesdays. We'll be doing stuff on production and things. Wednesdays are going to be marketing Wednesdays. And then Thursdays will be business system Thursdays. And Fridays, of course, are Fiverr Fridays. This follows the actual academy, VO's Journey Elite Academy that we have going strong now. We're growing like crazy. We'd love for you to check it out. If you're interested in becoming a better voice actor, you're just beginning, or you've been in voice acting for a while and you want to grow your business, it's a wonderful academy to check out. The link is below, or you can go to avosjourney.com. And yes, we are meeting tonight. So even though it's Labor Day, we're still going to have our session. So anyways, I want to talk to you today about voice acting and the importance of picking and honestly deciding the subtext of what you are voicing before you actually start. Now, most of the time, well, actually, I would say now I'm getting more about 50-50 of the time, depending on where I get work. You'll be booked by a client, and hopefully they will give you a lot of instructions or subtext to what you are doing, meaning the story behind the story, or I like to call it the story underneath the story. All right, what is the meaning of what you are trying to say? Why are you saying this? Sorry, there's like my cat's under here, and there's cat hair flying everywhere. Sorry. Anyways, so subtext is the meaning underneath what you are trying to say. It's not just about what you are saying. It also helps determine how you say it, okay? And a lot of times the client will give you that information. But even if they do, all right, that information will vary from how much subtext they give you. And two, sometimes they may leave big gaps, or, they might not tell you what type of, who you are in this, the character you're playing, how they exactly want you to say. They might want to say, hey, we want you to make us feel this way, or you want, so there's all of these different ways they can give you instruction, and you basically have to fill in the subtext, okay? And it's very important for you. And again, I like to think of subtext as all of the holes, like the character, who you are, the setting, what's happening, what you're trying to say besides the words themselves. The words relay a message, but the way you say them, right, how you say them also tells a message about what they should be thinking about those words, how they should view what you are saying, how they should think about what you are saying, right? That's the subtext in there, how you relay it. So it's important that before you start the voiceover, not only do you look at the instructions, of course, and read through the voiceover, the script, but also attach a couple of different descriptive words, for example, that helps you fill in the subtext. So while you are performing, you are actually taking those ideas and putting them in the forefront of your mind so that when you actually go to speak or voice your script, you're thinking about how can I say these words and make people feel this way, right? How do I make them? For example, if you are trying to show compassion, and you're trying to show safety through a voiceover, okay? You take those words and you put them in the forefront of your mind, and as you're relaying the words, you focus on compassion and safety, all right? And yes, if you focus on those words and trying to relay the message in that manner, 9 times out of 10, your body, your voice, your inflections, all of that takes care of itself. It's really quite amazing. But a lot of us don't get to that point where we're actually trying to, speak the subtext through what we're saying. We just try to speak the words, right? And try to give it in a nice pacing and make sure the words are understood. See, there you go. The words are understood correctly and pronounced properly. But that's what we get stuck in. And a lot of times we forget that we're supposed to be relaying a message beyond just the words. And I hope that this quick video helped you with the idea of subtext in this world that I'm painting for you is more like you filling in the gaps about what is not there and what you want the listener to get from your voiceover. You have to assign that before you even start. And if you don't, your reads will come up as bland and you yourself will always be wondering, it just doesn't feel right. I want it to feel differently. I don't like the way I said it, or you know what I'm saying? Like, because there's no purpose behind what you're saying. The purpose cannot be about you making money. Okay, or I mean, it can if that's what you want, but it's not going to come across in any other way than you just doing something to make money. Seriously, okay? We need to focus our minds on exactly the emotions, the feelings, the subtext we are trying to relay. And then through that, we say the words, and the words will come out in a manner in which people get those feelings. And our job then is to practice on how to relay those feelings, those emotions, okay, better. That's our job. Okay. All right. Listen, I hope that this has helped. Please, like and comment below. Make sure you follow or subscribe, And again, check out the Elite Academy. It's really going strong. We've got voice acting tonight, like I said. And tomorrow's Tech Tuesday, and we'd love to have you and to check it out. And you can even just go and learn more about it on the website as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. You have a great Monday. Happy Labor Day. Talk to you tomorrow. Goodbye.